Hello, everyone. My name is Ali Oruji. I'm the UCF programming team faculty advisor. I work with the coaches to prepare the UCF teams for the various competition. The purpose of this short presentation is to introduce you to International Collegiate Programming Contest and also explain how you can get on UCF programming team. ICPC is now 50 years old. Originally, it was just a few universities in the US, but now it has grown to be a truly international event, and it is a very large event. Originally, it was just a two-stage process, but now because of number of teams, they have changed it to 3 stages. Our students, we compete in what is called the Southeast region. And if we do well in our region, we advance to North America Championship. And if we do well there, we advance to World Finals. You see some of the numbers related to ICPC. There are more than 100 countries competing now and more than 20,000 teams. And usually they advance roughly 130 teams to World Championship. The way the contest works, a team consists of 3 students, but they get only 1 computer. So part of the strategy is who should use the computer at what time. And they give you a bunch of problems, say 10 problems, and you have 5 hours. And the team that solves the most wins the contest. And in case of ties, they have a tiebreaker, which is basically how long it took you to solve each problem and how many incorrect attempts you had. Now, here at UCF, we have many good students. It is impossible for us to choose just 3 students. Unfortunately, fortunately, our region allows universities to bring multiple teams. So we usually take anywhere from 5 to 10 teams to regional contests. And each team is 3 students, so we usually have 20, 30 students going to regional competition. And the other thing we do is we have varsity team members and junior varsity team members. Junior varsity team members are freshmen and sophomores. They may not be ready to go to World Finals yet, but they are good future prospects. I mentioned the contest is almost 50 years old. The first few years, most universities weren't aware of it. Our students have competed since 1982, and they have done extremely well. They have actually finished in top 3 in the region every single year. So the consistency is really impressive. And they have done well in North America Championship, and they have done well in World Finals. So we look forward to having you on the team and continue with the good record. How do you get on the team? Like they have football tryout to select the football players for a university. We also have the programming team tryout. And since the regional contest is right at the beginning of fall semester, the regional competition is in fall semester, so we have to select the team members right at the beginning of fall semester. We're going to request classroom and labs for the beginning of fall, and as soon as we know the location, we will post on the programming team website when the contest will be. So please, sometimes in August, like mid-August, early August, please check the team website and the dates will be there. But repeating the main point, it will be right at the beginning of fall semester because the regional contest is in fall semester and we need to practice and prepare for it. The tryout will be in 2 rounds. Round 1 will be online, so you can just try it from home or wherever you are. And we do round 1 over several days. So if somebody is tied up one day, they can do it other days. And round 1, we call it practice. So you get used to how the system works and how the contest works. But also round 2 is on site. We request a lab. And just in case there are many students showing up for round 1, we use the result of round 1 to decide who goes to round two. Because again, round two is on site and there is a lab capacity and we cannot go beyond that. Why should you get on the team? The person who gets on football team, they keep practicing football and they excel in that sport. When you get on programming team, you keep solving problems, coming up with solutions to problems, and then coding your solutions. So you become a great problem solver and a great programmer. So you excel in those aspects. And when you go to regional contests or North America Championship or World Final, you get to see other locations, you get to see the students from other universities. So the trip is a lot of fun. And also, since you excel in problem solving and programming, when you look for internship or full-time job, there is no problem finding internship and full-time job. A few misconceptions. Some students, they feel that in early college years, they are not ready to try for the team. They feel they need to take courses before they can try for the team, or they are concerned that they may not make it to the team or may not solve any problem. What I can tell you is it is never too early to try. We love to see a student fresh from high school trying for the team. Hopefully they make it to varsity, but if they don't make it to varsity, they'll make it to junior varsity. What we can tell you is if you do not show up for the tryout, we cannot put you on the team. If you show up for the tryout, you have as good a chance as anybody else. So the coaches and I look forward to having you on the team and going to regional, North America Championship, and World Final. So hope to see you early fall semester. Take care.